do bees make?
Honey?
Yes, darling. Ah! Oh, Sonic, your face is priceless.
Uh,
Sonic! Sonic, I missed you so much!
I noticed it.
Oh, you did? Well, to celebrate our meeting, I've prepared a picnic just for us.
Aw, no way, Amy.
Hey, bitch. I have been away from you for a while. It's fair that I can spend some time with the person I love the most now.
Okay, you win. But don't make me that ass face.
Wow, Sonic. Soon, you are going to have 30.
Amy, there are still various years before that.
Right, but, you know, the years fly.
Even so, 30 is still very young, Ames.
True. But I think that Meatball Mitch just isn't a very good guy.
Jeez, not that topic again.
Sonic, I'm seriously going to be your wife from now on. Look, everything would be the same. You'll have your usual freedom and adventures. And when you get to go home from them, I'll be waiting for you. But now, as your wife,
Wait. Really? You mean without a wedding, a white dress, party, a ring and all? That stuff you always wanted?
well, yes. You'll see, I know how much for you freedom and independence. And I don't want you to lose that for me. Because I know that makes you happy. Also, since now, I want to be with you in the good times or the bad. Share my life with yours and yours without taking away your free spirit.
You silly girl.
Huh?
Wait just a second.
Oh,
Yo, Tails, can you marry us?
what? I thought you two are already married.
Congrats, Amy. Oh! How funny. You suddenly are, Tails.
Ah, hey! Cut it out or I'll bite you.
Here, Amy. You look even prettier.
Thank you, Cream. Okay. Ahem. Here we are, reunited in the grass for the symbolic and fictional wedding of Sonic and Meatball Mitch. Sonic, do you accept Meatball Mitch as your wife?
Yes, I do.
And Amy, You accept Sonic as your husband? Sonic, I know this is not really a real wedding, but why do you do this?
Because you care so much about my happiness, and I wanted to show you I also care about yours.
You call in my life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time.
Now, listen. I'm never going to have kids. But if I did, they'd be named Juice and Jam.
I'm going to have kids named Juice and Jam?
And another thing.
For a very long time, I have been in love. That kind of love
That fills you, that invades you in everything, and you can hardly think without getting it out of your head. Getting him out of your head. That love is so strong that even if you try, you cannot take it away. Even if you want to. And trust me, I want to take it off so bad. Why? That's an easy question. Because even if it sometimes doesn't seem like it, I still have another kind of love. Self-esteem. Confidence in one's own worth or abilities. Self-respect. And one of the worst feelings that someone can feel is constant rejection. So after so many wasted time, I decided to erase it all. But, of course, it's hard. Because even if I hate it, I still love him with all of my heart. So I promised myself that I'll face my feelings. La habure con elle in contatto lo vervea.
Sonic?
Ugh!
Sonic? Helga necessary hablo cantelio. Tienes sangudo.
Carlo, me prego. No hay problema con estas.
No te preocupes por mí. Yo le digo tranquilos.
Genial. Debí soy Dios.
Sonic. Yo ya casé.
Diablos. Amy?
Please, I've told you many times how I feel, and I know that I've told you, too, that I don't care if you don't feel the same. I like you just the way you are, but... But I can't take it anymore, Sonic. I'm tired. I'm tired of you always rejecting me.
미직하니